Wala rin eh, wala rin. Hindi ingatan yung mga Jets.
Bakit mo ingatan? Wala naman ang season.
Paano ba bakit tayo kasama ka sa inting yung champion sa jersey? Manurog.
Nagpagawalan nyo. Blue pa ba?
Blue lang. Nagpagawa ka lang, no? Blue lang, no?
Bilisan mo ba sa Ashford to?
Hoy! Hindi masyado na fit. Madami shooter. Kaya kasi ano. Pag nakuha nyo yung bola, wala na yung magawa eh. Lakas na. May sumin ka siya. Ang i-open. Nastak pa naman siya.
Star player.
Kasi ilan na laro niya sa akin kasi makakita siya ng balik siya. Pero kung wala ka siya, give mo na screen shooter. Naman, na goal.
Score!
Kumataas din kasi si Tommy. Sinusundan niya kasi. Para lang ito, nakapakuha ka ng office.
Ayaw naman tayo simula. Malayo yun. Sa buwan na.
Buti na lang. Si Chris, ano?
Lumayo naman sila.
Physical pa yun, ano?
Sigalan.
Sinodis gang?
Pagkapapanood mo talaga ito. Parang kala mo papel, lagi tumitik-tuk eh. Lagi. Sinong tangan referee parehas tumumba? Huwag pa mo offensive na. Parehas tutumba. Pero ito yung kay Tom na, tumapit lang. Tapos, wala na.
UFC, ano? Nice defense, Mike.
Nice deep!
Maganda naman eh. Basta, Draghi is
Oh, really?
alam na
Okay. Pwede naman yung... Tapos papayaran mo 20 no?
big time, baka
May 20.
Bram naman bili mo sa tingin. Wala pa pera. That's apparently ano pala, 5 days pero ito na, 5 days na yun, 5 days.
Yeah.
Probably 5 days. Kasi usually,
Are you working Saturday Sunday? Yeah.
I'm pretty sure I'm
Yeah.
you're working hours.
Bakit sa akin yung braso mo?
Pwede may isa pa doon sa next one, so 5 weeks or...
You? Where?
There's a new wave there, Horizon. I think there is one that is stuck with
I've been complimented for a dump truck.
I start 11th of August.
Ano ba yung safety?
None of the facilities. And I think most of them will pay first to one side. And then in here, you've just got to pay your flight from there to Perth. And then they pay.
What that's the ridiculous price though. If you're gonna pay from here to Perth, that's gonna be expensive. So might as well just pick a regional.
A lot of the Alliance and NJE flights go. My cousin's here at the XP. Because he flies in, he's a week on, week off.
What's wrong with that? The one that besides
NJE. Was common. And now it's NJE, yeah. It's Rex NJE. It's owned by Rex. Yeah. So yeah, you won't pay for it. I think that's where my cousin is. He's underground. Good. So I wanted to do either water truck or dump truck. Or doing it. Constantly, people are always calling for it.
dump truck, you just want to have one round. Go there, put the fucking stop, and then go back to the downside.
At least you can count when you finish because you count how many runs you do for the day.
Yeah, you probably only do, depending on how long. I think a round trip is like an hour.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, it's not like.
Yeah.
Well, some of them are an hour there, an hour back.
Oh shit.
Yeah, because the line is that big.
An hour one way. That's alright.
So you do 6 loads. Instead of, we were doing like 50 to 60 loads a day.
I'm checking Facebook
Yeah.
fight for stuff now.
Yeah, the last.
The mind's really fucking big.
Yeah.
Those dumb trucks that is really fucking weird. It's like only this is the mindset.
He's gonna come out.
The fuel all the time.
That's my plan.
Oh, is it?
What's your roster, week on, week off?
Yeah, 7 days on, 7 days
Yeah, that's my husband.
I think since he's almost gets together and you go home.
not 1 month.
Do you do a week of mornings?
Yeah, they don't even know what the plan is.
I think,
They still planning.
because I think he does a week of mornings and then a week of nights. So when you finish in the morning, I think he flies back that night.
Usually that's the
then
case.
if
But when I asked them, because they just starting, they just got that contract last June. They said, oh, we're still not sure about
you start in August. So that's like, what, 2 weeks away? You get up there, what am I working for?
I still got a lot of questions from them. They haven't fucking answered it yet. Where do you fly from? From there,
Flights leaving.
we're going to Pimba. Pimba is
We all go on the bathroom.
Tell the ones that are going to mining because they're all like in their 5Gs. All their work here.
or if you're a night shift, probably just going with your
Yeah, they come back like they just walk off. But you can tell the ones that are going to start when they get there because they're already in uniform. Yeah, refueler. But we're not sure what one. Whether it's like
there's two of them.
you've got the refuelers that do the planes, and then you've got the other ones that do the checking. Because one of the cleaners went to the refueler, the female. And it's like, I seen her the other day with Sammy, and like she Pete left cleaning as well, because he's got a nursing job in the morning. So when you come to go over to us, he was like, soon. Good. 10 seconds.
Pero wala pa, planning pa rin sila hanggang ngayon. Hindi pa rin nila alam yung shipping. So, kung wala ako yung 11, wala ka, hindi pa nila ako sasagot sila tanong ba na yun. Ang dami kong tanong sa kanila.
Ba't na-check wala kayo pena? Wala. Meron pa rin. Pero holiday, wala na.
Wala, pag kayo hindi ka naka-schedule sa baka. Pero naka-schedule ka tapos nag-work ka. Kaya naka 70%. Yung dapat yung sa'yo na pala. Yung dapat yung sa'yo na 300%.
Sa tol mo lang. Pag holiday ka pumasok, normal lang.
Talaga? Oo.
Kala ko, mandatory yung April yung tatasawa. Para sa April.
Enterprise bargaining agreement.
Kasi sa screen away, automatic eh. Basta kung ano yung question, may kung inisip ko, sa lahat ng trabaho may gano'n.
Yung ibang trabaho, katulad yung trabaho, napapasok pa na. Pero dahil, depende sa grade eh. Minsan, depende sa grade. Sa airport naman, sa work ni first 4 years, nag-i-increase ka dahil pagdating ng 4 years.
Pero kung may pakalaman ka,
Hindi ko pa...
eh bakit paano ka naging problema?
Ano na ako, nagsasabi naman ako dun sa Hindi ko pa lang i-accept kasi.
Uy, bakit hindi ka pwedeng magpa-schedule ng every off mo eh? Trabaho ka na. Hindi pwede ko na. Sa ano kayo ganyan? O pwede? Hindi, sa FedEx may ganyan. Ganyan, kasi sa aming katrabaho, 3 months mawawala, ano ka, pagtatanong na flight, namin breaks. Kasi maganda naman performance na, pero kasi maganda siya. Permanent sa flight ko. Ano ba nga doon? Kaya nga pala kami pagka-permanent sa flight ko. Magkakaroon ka ng annual leave? Oo, 5 weeks lang. Ano yung pag
Parang 26 weeks ka na lang mag-work, tapos may 5 weeks ka pa off. Parang 21 weeks ka
So every time na, kunyari, may schedule ka, sabi ko, one ko na lang off yan. Ganon.
mag-off. Kailangan maganda. Kaya kami magsasabi ng mga. Kapag nag-annual leave ka ng isang linggo, 3 weeks ka wala. Kasi doon ka lang pasok. Tapos nag-annual leave ka.
O tama, 3 weeks.
7 days.
Pero kung hindi kasama sa holiday mo yun,
Oo. Wala. Walang bayad yung ulo.
bawal bayad.
Kahit dito, kahit holiday, tapos naka-off ka. Dapat ang mga material na i-max din. Oh, this is good. I'm going to stay to work.
Ano tanongin?
How about one more game?
Sorry. I'm only got 4 points. Oh, coming back from Singapore the other night, the strap popped off all the cups fell over. Oh, really? JT makes me hit the report. Fucking ridiculous. Like, all the others fell over. Coming back.
Matanda na eh. Binibag na yung forfeitances.
No, I had one of the new guys in the cup. I know it's my fault. I need to check it. We go back there.
Trabaho niya lang. Trabaho niya lang.
I just said to the guys at work, the Hardy's had a bit of a
Last touch ako, last touch.
Zero.
Ano? Alam lang mga tao doon. Ang pagkakita ko kasi nakalasal ko lang. So, pas nasabihan nila ako pagka mag-expect na mag-expect. Eh, alam nila, every Friday may inuwi ako. Nilabihan na ako. Do you wanna stay? Set up the Darwin? Hindi kami lang set up. Lalagyan mo lang mga talo. Ayusin mo lang. Sabit lang yun. Kung pumunta ako, eh, nandun siya. Basta dulo-dulo kami. Ang trainer. Hindi talaga ako nung malapit sa kanya masasaya. Puto, tapo ko yung sarap. Puto naman nagsabi, sige tapo ko. Mali ka. Who trained you? Who trained you? Ano ba? Nakwento ba sa'yo? Nakwento ba sa'yo?
Yun.
Hindi pumasok. Hindi pumasok. Who trained you? No one trained you. No one give a kasi may proper na. Pero either way naman talaga eh. Pwede. Kung paano mo i-hope. Ito nagalit. Tapos inuano ko. Walkout ako. Kasi kami ko explain na yun.
Tinalan 2 games, right?
Tapos nakita ko, ba't hindi ka tumulong ko? I can work with it.
Sana ganun parati.
I just want to know the different side.
Ay, may ayaw ka na maayos.
Hindi naman ako kinakusap. Kaya sabi, sige, parang sabi nga sa akin, sige po, you can stay just open.
Ay, lakas!
Kasi mga small time. You can leave what time you want. Tapos like nila, hindi pumasok. Wala ko, hindi na naman ako yung ano eh, yung kaya nakakapagod sa kanya.
Bumabagal kasi
Kapag dalawa
kaya
kasi
inaabot
sa amin,
eh.
Riyard, trabaho, sa trabaho, sa trainer.
Bigla bumabagal.
Sabi ko, ako kung may 90% ng trabaho namin dalawa ang gumagawa, hindi ako nagre-reklamo. Pero wag lang niya ako gaganti. Eh marami nakakapansin na pumipressing na. Dahil matanda.
Ano yung casual yun? Ano?
Hindi, matalino ka mo. Kasi matagal na siya nagtatrabaho mo. Casual ang ano niya, dahil malaki sahod, tapos nag-aaral siya. Nag-aaral daw siya. Hindi siya lagi nakakapasok. Ngayon, eh sobrang dumadami na empleyado sa side namin. Nagdadala sa kalaalan. Eh ayaw na kalaalan kasi doon. Alam mo, kailangan mo magtrabaho, buhat ka eh. Ng mga box eh. Nagpa-permanent part-time para stay na siya sa amin. Para magkita-tali na lang siya. Next week, hindi pumasok eh.
Next week, malalaman natin kung ano yung wala.
Kaya ayoko nagagalit. Kaya hindi ko na lang ako hindi na marunong nagagalit. Dati talaga nasa Pinas ako. May anger management ako. Baksa. Ay, nanalo si Freya? Nanalo si Freya? Bumaba yun. Ito yung finishing na niya. Is it allowed? Yeah, it's okay. Watch this against
Dapat dito pang gano'n, eh, no?
you can eat it. Can you hit them with the elbow?
She's still elbow.
Submission only. She tried to get her Oo, papasok mo na. Ay! Nagtatayo ka ng Tuesday? Ay, makakapaglaro ka na. Kapag ka 4 years old. Dito, di ba pinasok si Mateo dyan? Hindi, judo. Judo, jiu-jitsu, nakakapilay naman eh. Taekwondo yun. Ito ko nga sa katrabaho ko yung napanalo ako sa kung paano ako nanalo. Mahilig tumayahin sila sa sport. Sa lahat ng sport, na hindi ko pinapalabas ng boxing yung nasa doon. Wala akong alam sa sport.